Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes of Heritage Public School. I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so yesterday we completed our chapter number first. Now let's move on to the exercise. So please take out your book and open page number 7. Tick right the correct answer. Indian historians divided Indian history into 3 parts. Yes? Dash is a process by which a central system of power dominates the surrounding lands and its component. कौन सी थी? कॉलोनाइजेशन एक प्रोसेस था. यस, जिसकी वजह से वो सेंट्रल सिस्टम था, उसको पावर थी कि वो डोमिनेट कर सकता था, उस एरिया को डोमिनेट कर सकता था, उसको अपने अंडर ले सकता था. द ब्रिटिश फेल्ट ऑल इम्पॉर्टेंट लेटर्स एंड डॉक्यूमेंट शुड बी प्रिजर्व्ड. फिलअप्स. फर्स्ट फुल स्केल वर्किंग रेलवे स्टीम लोकोमोटिव कब बिल्ट हुई थी? 1804 में. हिस्ट्री इज सर्टेनली अबाउट चेंजेस दैट अकर ओवर टाइम. सेंसस ऑपरेशंस वर हेल्ड एवरी 10 years. British established specialized institutions like archives and museums to preserve important records. The Imperial Record Department was set up on 11th March 1891 in Calcutta. Now true and false. Dates in history are not linked to events. False, क्योंकि हिस्ट्री की जो डेट्स है वो किससे लिंक्ड होती है? इवेंट से. जेम्स मिल्स ने डिवाइड किया था 3 पीरियड्स में, लेकिन वो पीरियड हिंदू मुस्लिम और क्रिश्चियन नहीं थे, हिंदू मुस्लिम और ब्रिटिश. ठीक है, तो फॉल्स. Practice of surveying also become common under colonial administration. True. Official document help us understand about the country's administration. True. The British thought survey were important for effective administration. True. Now move on to the next page. So write answers in short. Richard Tretick, invention of train. James Mill, periodization of Indian history. Rowlatt Act. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Simon Commission. Political reforms in India. And Pune Act. M.K. Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar. So children, we had already shared PDF for question answers. Hope you all done that question answers. Still, अगर आप लोगों ने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं किए, then you can message on WhatsApp that we need question answer of chapter number 1 of SST. We will definitely provide you. And if you had already done this, just try to learn question answer, short question answer, and fill the book work. Okay children, we will meet tomorrow.